Hello students, we will read chapter 7 An Imperial Capital Vijayanagara, module number 2. In this module, we will discuss about the achievements of Raja Krishnadeva Raya. Let me write down one by one why Vijayanagara Empire became so much of famous during the time period of Krishnadeva Raya. Let's take achievements of Krishna Deva Raya. Number one is a great warrior and general. What I had written down here, he was a great warrior and a general. It itself suggests warrior, mean to say बहुत बड़े योद्धा थे, बहादुर थे. And general, mean to say he has a great capability of leadership. We will explain why one by one which location from where he had shown his great warriorship. Number one, war with Bahmani kingdom. You know, Vijayanagara Empire, that is in Deccan, surrounding towards its north side, north, it is the western part, it is the eastern part, all they were the Muslim rulers. So in Bahmani, a ruler, Sultan Mahmud Shah was there, and he did a war with him, with Sultan Muhammad Shah Khan. Krishnadeva Raya attacked his army and defeated him in 1509. It was his first victory. He defeated Vijayanagara, he defeated the Bahmani Empire and the parts of it which was earlier captured by Bahmani, the part of Vijayanagara, he recaptured from them. जो विजयनगर का थोड़ा बहुत हिस्सा उनके पास था या बाकी जिस जो सुल्तान मोहम्मद शाह है, सुल्तान मोहम्मद शाह, उनको इन्होंने हरा दिया था और बहुत बड़े पार्ट जो काफ़ी बड़ा हिस्सा था बहमनी एम्पायर का उसके ऊपर अपना आधिपत्य कंट्रोल सेटअप किया था. That's the first war he won. After that, war with Bijapur. War with Bijapur, it took place 1512. Bijapur Empire was ruled by Sultan Yusuf Khan. He was the ruler of Bijapur. What had happened when Sultan was ruling there and when Krishnadeva Raya became ruler, before that some part of Vijayanagara, that is Doab area, was won by Bijapur ruler, and when Krishnadeva Raya became ruler, he won the areas which was the part of Vijayanagara Empire. Not only that part, but also the whole area that comes under the control of Krishnadeva Raya. Then the third one is conquest of Conquest of Umayyatur. Umayyatur, here one of ruler of Vijayanagara named Ganga Rai. He had declared himself independent when Krishnadeva Rai was busy with the war of Bijapur. During that time period, he himself declared independent. So Krishnadeva Rai did war with him and recaptured the part of Umayyatur. Then the next one is war with Odisha. Raja Krishnadeva Rai did a war with the ruler of Odisha during 1514, that is Prataprudra, with Prataprudra. He did a war with Prataprudra. The reason behind this was there. Prataprudra had conquered two important forts of Vijayanagara kingdom, namely Udayagiri and Kondavidu. Krishnadeva wanted to recapture them. This is the reason he did a war with him. Besides this, Raja Krishnadeva Rai wanted elephant for his army. You know, during that time it was considered the ruler in whose army more elephant was there, it was considered more powerful. That was another reason the king wanted to control the part of Odisha. So these are the some reason. And then after that, one more important war when he returned back from the Odisha on the path, that is, he did a war with Golconda. War with Golconda, and ruler of Golconda was there, that is Kuli Qutub Shah. Kuli Qutub Shah. He did a war with him. What happened? When Krishnadeva Rai captured two forts of Vijayanagara, namely Pongal and Gantur, at that time, that Kuli Qutub Shah, he just controlled these two forts. Krishnadeva Rai wanted them deport these two forts. This is the reason the war took place with the ruler of Kuli Qutub Shah of Golconda. This way, Vijayanagara Empire became so much of famous that the people, they appreciated him. Reason, these rulers earlier, before Raja Krishnadeva Rai, they used to attack to Vijayanagara, like it is Bahmani, Bijapur, ओडिशा, गोलकुंडा, ये वो राज्य हैं जो समय समय पर राजा कृष्णदेव राय के क्षेत्र से, कृष्णदेव राय से पहले विजयनगर पर अटैक करते रहते थे. बट ड्यूरिंग हिज टाइम कृष्णदेव राय कंट्रोल्ड द मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस एम्पायर. सो दिस वे we can say these were the major achievements of Raja Krishnadeva Rai. Now let me discuss. These are related to the great general. These are the very first point I had explained. This one, a great warrior and general. Now the next point is there. That's the point as an administrator. that is the second achievement of Raja Krishnadeva Rai. Though most of the time you people have seen Krishnadeva Rai busy in the war, but still the one very important thing was there. He paid very much attention towards the welfare of his people, his subjects. He did all the arrangements related to water, protection, welfare of their peoples of Vijayanagara Empire. This is the reason he was considered great, because he had distributed different portfolios to different persons. Though Krishnadeva Rai was busy, but his peoples, they worked as the work that is assigned by Raja Krishnadeva Rai. So the next point is there, patron of art and literature. This is the next point. Patron of art and literature. It means during the time period of Vijayanagara Empire, Raja Krishnadeva Rai paid special attentions about the architectures, many buildings that was constructed by him, Kamalapuram tank and many more important buildings they were constructed, and some Gopurams they were also constructed during that time period, and they are really the great heritage of our country. And beside this, many literary work that was done during the time period of Raja Krishnadeva Rai. Due to these reasons, we people can see that the period of Raja Krishnadeva Rai was a golden age of Vijayanagara Empire. So that's okay in this module. It is the achievement of Raja Krishnadeva Rai.